Good morning, students. In the previous class, we learnt perimeter of a rectangle and perimeter of a square. Let's recall the formula. Perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2L because 2 length have. So 2L plus 2B. Perimeter of a square. 4 sides are equal. So perimeter of a square equal to 4A. In this class, we are going to learn about next topic, area of a rectangle and square. Before moving on, what is area? The space covered by the boundary line is called the area. This is the boundary line. The space covered by the boundary line, this space is called the area of a rectangle. Here, this space is called the area of a square. Let's see the formula. Area of a rectangle equal to L into B. Area of a square equal to A into A. So, A square. The unit denoted for the area of an object is square units. Square units can be written as SQ dot unit. We must write the units end of the answers. Let us see an example. In your book page number 8, exercise 1.5. What is the area of a rectangle of length 10 cm and breadth 8 cm? So, here length equal to 10 cm, breadth 8 cm. What is the formula of area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle equal to L into B. So, L 10 centimeter. 10 into breadth 8 centimeter. 8 tens are 80. End of the answer we can write SQ dot, here centimeter have. So, you can write centimeter. So, area of a rectangle equal to 80 square dot centimeter. Next example, area of a square. In your book page number 9, exercise 1.8. What is the area of a square with a side 12 centimeter? Area of a square formula A into A. Here one side is given A equal to 12 centimeter. So 12 into 12. 12. Down also you have to write 12. First you can multiply these two numbers. 2 2s are 4. 2 1 is 2. 1 2 is 2. Here tens place. So you can write the answer in tens place. 1 1 is 1. These two numbers we have to add. 4, 2 plus 2, 4. Here 1. So 12 into 12, 144 centimeter given. So SQ dot centimeter. Area of a square equal to 144 SQ dot centimeter. Take your book, page number 10, exercise 1.2, third sum. If the cost of 1 square meter of a plot is rupees 800, then find the total cost of a plot that is 15 meter long and 10 meter breadth. Long means L equal to 15 meter, breadth B equal to 10 meter. L equal to 15 meter, breadth B equal to 10 meter. Area of a rectangle equal to L into B. L 15 meter, B 10 meter. 15 into 10. 15 into 10. 0 5s are 0. 0 1 is 0. Next 1 5 is 5. 1 1 is 1. 0, 5, 1. So 150 square meter. They already given cost of 1 square meter of a plot rupees 800. We have to find out cost of 150 square meter of a plot equal to 800 into 150. So 800, 150. 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. 0 8s are 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 8s are 40. Next 1 0 is 0. 1 0 is 0. 1 8 is 8. We have to add these three numbers 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 plus 8, 12. Therefore, cost of 150 square meter of a plot equal to rupees 1,20,000. Did you understand, children? Once we recall, area of a rectangle equal to L into B. Area of a square equal to A into A. The unit denoted for the area of an object is square units. In your book, page number 10, exercise 1.2, you will do it in your maths note and send it to your maths teacher. Thank you.